Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our practice set 55 of statistics. In this practice set 55 we have to make a frequency table. So for this the data is given to you like this table we have to make. This data is regarding height of 30 children in a class. This is all height of the 30 children given to you. This data, this number means this data given in centimeters. We have to make a frequency table of this data. So like this 3 columns we have to make. So this first column will be your height is in centimeters. Second column, this will be the tally marks, and the last one will be the frequency. Like this 3 columns you make for the table. So now the number, the data which is given, we have to find out first which number is the smallest. So in this all data 131 number is the smallest, and which number is the greatest. If you will see full data properly, 131 is the smallest number and 140 is the greatest or biggest number. So from 131 to 140 all the numbers you have to write. Search like this first, which is the smallest, which is the starting number, and which is the last number, and between that all the numbers you have to write. So all these numbers I have written, that is the height. Now we have to put the tally marks, means like this vertical line we are putting how many times that number is repeating. Suppose this 131, it is repeating how many times in this data, just calculate. 1, 2, so this data 3. So 131 is repeating how many times? 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, like this 3 vertical lines we have to put. So 1, 2, 3. So we have to write, after seeing that vertical lines, we have to count how many times it is repeating, and we have to put the number, that is the frequency. Similarly, let's see 132, how many times it is repeating in this data. 1, 2, 3. It is also 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Similarly 133, how many times you have to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is 5 times we don't put like this. After 4 we put like this. On this 4 slanting we have to put fifth one. Fifth one we don't put like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 lines, if fifth one is coming, we put a cross on all these 4 lines. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Then 134, how many times? Just see it. You have to look it very carefully. 1, 2, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3. 135, 1, 2, 3. 135 also 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 3. 136. 136. 1, 2. Here it is not there. So 2 tally marks. So 2 number. 137. 1, 2. 137 2 times. So 2. 138. 1. It's not there. 138 is only 1 time. So 1. 139. 1, 2, 3. This 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So here 3. 140. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one should be on a slanting crossly on all the 4. So this is 5. So after that we have to total this, and last we have to write total frequency n. Frequency we write in as n. N means total frequency. We have to add these all. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17, 18 19, 20 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 and 5 30. our answer is 30. And how to check whether our answer is correct or not? Here in the data it is given the height of 30 children. If this number and this number matches its total frequency, then your answer is correct. Otherwise somewhere you have missed the numbers. So you can correct tally this data's number and this total's number should be correct. Then your answer is correct. So this is the table how you have to make. So let us move to the second sum. Second sum, see, read the data. In a certain colony there are 50 families. Okay, the number of people in every family is given below. So these are the family members. So I have written the number of members. Draw a frequency table. You have to make a frequency table. So number of members, these are family members all. Then second column will be same, tally marks, and third will be the frequency. So make a table. Now in this, if you check the smallest number first and the biggest. So in this the smallest number is 1 only and the biggest number I could see is only 5 only. So from 1 to 5 all the numbers you have to write. After that just see tally marks, how many times the 1 is repeating. Let's see the 1 is repeating how many times over here. 1 is only one time only. So it will be 1, the frequency will be 1. 2, how many times you have to see it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13 times now. So how to do 13 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be like this. A sixth one, little space you put and put like this. 5 groups only we can make. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 groups only we can make. So 5, and fifth one you know you have to put it in cross on all the fours. So this is 13 times. This 5 will be 10, 11, 12, 13. So 2 is how many times? 13 times. Now 3, let us see how many times it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, little space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 15 and 1, 16. So this is 3 is repeating 16 times. Now let's see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 is 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. So this is 13. 5 is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's add this. 4 and 6, 10, 13, 13 and 7, 20. So 2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 50. We got 50. Here it is the 50. So the number is tallying. So our answer is correct. Now let's move to the third sum. A dice was cast 40 times. Each score noted is given below. This is the score on the die. Draw up a frequency tables. Wait, number I have put it correct. This one is so this is a table. Number on the upper faces of the dice. This is the scores on the die which you play. Then second column is same, tally marks and frequency. In this the smallest number is 1 and the largest number is 6. On die you know there are 6 numbers only. So definitely from 1 to 6 all the numbers you have to write. Now let us count how many times they are repeating. 1 is repeating how many times? 1, 2. It is repeating 2 times only. So the frequency is 2. 2 is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 3 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 4 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 5 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 6 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3 4. Down it's not there. 1 2 3 4. Let's total it. Total frequency n is equals to, count this, 8 and 2 10, 10 and 13 23, 23 and 8 31, 31 and 5 36, 36 and 4 40. So this is the data of 40 times only. So answer is coming correct, 40. So let's move to the last sum, fourth sum. The number of chapatis that 30 children need in a hostel at every meal is given below. This is the number of chapatis data they require at meal. We have to make a frequency table. So this is the data. These are the number of chapatis, tally marks and frequency. The smallest number is 2. Here is no 1. So smallest we have to take 2 and the greatest number is 5. So from 2 to 5 the numbers you have to write 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see 2 is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's repeating 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's 10 times. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is 10 times. 4 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 times. 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 8 times. 5 is repeating how many times? 1 2 3. It is 3 times only. So add it. 9 and 8 17 and 3 20. 2 carry 2 and 3. So this is 30. So this is 30 children only. So this is 30. Answer is correct. So here we have finished our statistic chapter also. Please practice in your book all the chapters which are coming for your exam very well.